How to protect your TikTok account from hacking. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to protect your TikTok account from hackers using the two-step verification feature. So let's just follow the steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply launch the application. Go to your TikTok profile page and then click on the three lines and then go to settings. Now from this page, locate the account section and then click on security and permissions. That is just below the privacy option. Tap on it. Now you'll see the option of two-step verification that is between the manage devices and save login info. Tap on it again. Now you can select at least two methods for your two-step verification, and turning this on will require an additional verification code when you log in from an untrusted device or a new device. Now once you select any two methods, simply tap on turn on, that is highlighted in red color. Now in this page, you have to enter a phone number that you want to associate with the two-step verification for your account. Simply enter the number and then click on continue, and the verification code will be sent to the specific mobile number. Simply enter the code and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can set up two-step verification for your TikTok account and secure your account from hacking. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.